Hey guys, welcome back to iXoft Original, and today is another exciting edition I want to share with you guys. 2023 should be a different year for all of us to, share with each other. Explore everything all together. So this is a beautiful software I have created so far. I used about let's say I used about 4 years to build this project, and it is a business card editor or a business card software maker, and I want to share it with you guys. So yeah, it has some sort of activation and all that, and it has some amazing stuffs here. So let's try and see if we can do some basic graphics work here. So I can basically add a rectangle. There you go. Then I can just stretch up the rectangle here, just as you can see here, and I can just change the color, bring it to front, send it to back, delete it. It's actually gonna work. So I'm just gonna set a color to a different color. I can just do that here, or I can simply click on this. Then I can either choose a solid color, which could be any color here, and it should be able to work from here, or I can choose a gradient color. I can choose within some colors here, and they are gonna work just as this. I can also add up a text here, and I can change the text here. Then I say Ike Tech Design. Okay, then I just click on this guy to assign it to the text and just extend it, and I can bring this guy up here. Yep. And I can just set the font color, the font color. So I can just set a color to white, and it's going to change. I can just set the font size to maybe let's set it up to maybe 36. We can either decide to use bold. It's actually going to work, you see. There you go. So you just have to extend it, enlarge it just the way you wanted it to be, and that will really work perfectly fine. The same thing applies. You can add a lot of things you want to add to this project. Let's go in for additional panel. Let's just try and then make some beautiful design and all that. It can really works fine just as you want it to be. And also we can add some text, but let me show you one more thing. You can add some objects from the object tools. You have a lot of tools here. You can add all these tools to your project, and it's actually gonna make it look super depending on whatever you want to do. So this project is very, very interesting, and you can do whatever you want to do with it. If you want to add something to the project, you simply have to double click on this, and it's going to be added to your project. Very, 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 very simple. That is how it actually works. So you just have to double click on it, and it's going to be added to your project as well. So that is how the object also works, and it really works amazingly fine. Yes, so that is it. Perfect. So there you go. You see, we have this guy here, and basically you can change the image from here as well. If you don't want to use this image here, you can basically change the images from here as well, and you can play along with the opacity and everything. And also with this guy here, I can play along with the radius. I can really set the radius to maybe 50, and then just hit apply, and it's just gonna curve there around. It has a lot of features. And what will happen if I want to add a barcode? Very simple. Just click on the barcode, and here you can set a barcode, saying maybe you can set a text you want to set up for the barcode. I can just say Ike Tech, and then I just click on save. That is going to save it to Ike Tech barcode. Just like that, you can basically add an image here. Just with this image, you can choose an image from real resources from somewhere, do whatever you want to do with it, and it's actually going to let it be so amazing, just as you wanted it to be. And remember, it supports transparency as well. So if you add a transparency image, it's actually going to work perfectly fine. It doesn't matter if the image is not transparent or not, it's going to work perfectly fine. And also, every text will be controlled here, and every image and shapes will be controlled here. And here too is going to be some adjustment, align to top, align to bottom. I mean, play along with all these, show align, show grade, and all those stuffs. You can really work with them, show grades, and 10 grades off and all that, set a width and height. I mean, everything works really fine. And yeah, so if I want to export this project, I can easily go to the save, and it's actually going to save the project. I mean, the design is actually going to save the design to a particular location, which I want to say new design. Yeah, like this. And it's actually going to save it to somewhere, and it's going to just launch it after I saved. I just click on OK. So there you go, we have our design and everything is well done. But let's assume if I want to print this out, how am I going to do that? So I'm just going to click on this print guy, then this guy will pop up. So I just have to add it. You see, I am basically adding the design. See, then I can easily click on print and I can print it out, or I can say okay, export. Then that is actually going to export it like how the saving process was done. Now let me talk about the last thing. What if I want to start a new project from template? This is also important, and this system comes along with those features as well. So you can choose out of some amazing templates. They all really work fine. You can choose within a variety of designs. So business cards, it's actually going to show you only business cards. And you can say banner design, it's actually going to show you banner designs. And poster designs, it can, it's going to show you the poster designs and all that. So if you have any design you want to show, it's actually going to give it to you, and you can do all sort of things you want to do. If you want to choose any of these designs, you can basically do that. Just click on it, and there you go. So you can just have to you will get opportunity to get a code. So you have the opportunity to do a whole lot of adjustment to the codes and do a whole lot of things to this code. And I am giving this code to you at some low price amount. Link in the description. Just download the source code from there and you will get everything you need to get. If you don't understand anything, or if you want to get assistance on how to load this project on in your Visual Studio, we will accompany you, we will assist you to do everything as planned to be. All right, thank you very much, guys. If you need the full source code of this, let me show you the full source code. So this is the full source code. Basically, you can see I have everything here. If you need a full source code, the link is in the description. Just have to go there and grab yours from the link in the description. I hope 2023 is going to be a year of making powerful softwares with one code base, Visual Studio and all that. So if you don't want to miss anything, please do also subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell icon to get notified anytime we upload any exciting video. And also, the name still remains Ikesoft Original, but due to some technical issues, we have rebranded our channel name to Ike Tech, and that is the same Ikesoft Original you used to know. So go to the link below the description and get yours right away. Until then, have a nice day, and Ikesoft Original is out. Thank you and bye bye.